Assalamu-Alaikum, everyone. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another tutorial. How are you doing today? I hope you're all doing good. The sun is out. It's bright. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. You know, when the sun starts coming out, it changes the whole in here changes. It just gets brighter and the feeling is happier. The mood's different. I hope you're feeling what I'm feeling. I hope so. Anyway, I do welcome you to my channel. If this is your first time, I hope you stick around. I hope you enjoy the contents. You know, if you're just flipping channels and you came across me, I'm thankful you're here. Stick along, stay with me. It's a very short tutorial. If this is what, something in your interest, please stay. And if you're just passing by, I appreciate you stopping by. If you like it, hit the subscribe button. And for those of you, my sisters, my viewers who are here and have been with me and is along with me on this journey now, I thank you for your love and your support. Every comment matters to me. Please do leave one. Press the like button, share it with your friends and family. We're going to build this platform. It's you and me together. And it really does matter, you being there for me. I appreciate every bit of it. Well, today's tutorial is a very easy, quick, simple. That's the intention. I've been putting on some really long tutorials, a few different styles in every video. And my thought process for this week and from here on for a little bit is to do shorter ones, give you one style. It's quick and easy. You watch, you're able to look at what you want to see, and you're ready to go. Now, today's tutorial is quite simple. I'm using a chiffon scarf. The color is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely. You can actually use it on any kind of any color. It's just so beautiful. And the wrap that I've done is really simple. It may not look so simple when you're looking at it, but it's absolutely gorgeous and simple. And I will show you how I do that. If you just bear with me, stay with me, we're going to put it together. And it's a quick one. Like I said, it's very quick, very easy. And I hope, please, I hope you will try it. Promise me that you will try it. And if it doesn't work, watch the video a few times. It will work because it's not difficult at all. You just have to watch me and work with me and you will get it. Okay, so let's go. Let's get this tutorial going. So as I said, we're going to be very quick today. And it's quick and easy, ready to go. And I'm going to show you how we achieve that look. Okay, so work with me, watch what I do. And it's a beautiful chiffon scarf, the color is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely. It's beautiful. And what we're going to do today is we're going to wrap this. We're going to put a stick pin here. Remember, this is quick and easy, and this is supposed to not take you very long. Just putting a stick pin there, and I want to wrap this very close to the ninja. I'm wearing my ninja. I don't have any inner caps today, just the ninja. It's the weather is, you can see the sunlight. It's nice and bright. It's supposed to be a warm day, so I want to keep it as cool as possible. So we're going to wrap this here and bring this underneath. Then we're going to fold this over like that. And again, we're going to wrap it as close to the ninja as possible. See that? And I'm going to give that another pin right here. And if you don't want to wear a ninja, you can wear an inner cap, just a cap, and that would work as well, or just one of those tight caps, whatever you're comfortable with. That's what we're doing. And now we're working. I've just pinned it here. I'm going to when I pin it just to work with it. Then I'm going to move the pin and pin it over the top of the scarf. So I've got some folds happening. And then I'm going to bring this underneath here with a bit of fold and as close to the neck as possible, covering your ninja. And today all I'm going to do, I don't want to bring it in the front, I just want it to sit in the back. So I'm going to give it just above my bun, I'm going to give it a stick pin, that there. And make sure you pin it nice and secure because it's going to hold the weight of your scarf right in the back here. Now, you don't need much because it's a chiffon and it's very light, and you are done. Now, you basically just need to set this here to whatever length you want in the front. If you want full coverage, you've got full coverage. If you want it just sitting on the top, you have that. And I'm going to, because I'm heading out, I'm going to give it 2 little stick pins on the 2 sides just to keep it in place because I want it in place. And that is absolutely beautiful. It's got a nice crisscross, and that was the intention. And so, like I said, we're going to use a stick pin, and with a nice fold, I'm going to put one here. Remember, like I said, this is a very quick and easy tutorial, very simple. There's no need for fuss. It's just a matter of wrapping it and just putting your 2 little pins here, and you are ready to go. And in the last bit, I've done very long tutorials, quite a few different styles in each tutorial. What I'm going to try and do from here on is try to make them as shorter. Just give you a style, boom, you can watch it in a few minutes and you're ready to go. Just so you get that style for the day. And look at how beautiful that is. How beautiful that is. See that? It's absolutely gorgeous. We have no fuss. And now I'd like for you to see how it folds in the back. And that's how we want it to fold in the back. Did you see that? How beautiful is that? And how quick was that? Simple wrap. Boom, 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 boom. I hope you like that. It's quite easy. It's a beautiful chiffon scarf. You can wear it with any color. It's just such a beautiful color. We don't have a pin here for those sisters that have issues with pinning it here. We just put a stick pin here, wrap it in the back, brought it forward, wrap it over here, and just brought it back here. That's it. And we're done. Ready to go. Well, I hope you like that because I enjoy bringing it to you. And I think it was nice and easy and quick. Like I said in my opening statement, I want to make it as quick as possible and as simple as possible for all you sisters out there who are wanting to wear the hijab, who are wearing the hijab but finds it difficult sometimes. This is an easy tutorial. Very simple, very easy, a little bit different. It looks a little bit different. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's respectful, it's elegant. Simple yet elegant, and it was quick and easy. Now, I hope you like that. And if you like that, please hit the like button. Please. And share it with your friends and family. Share it with everyone you know. Share the link. It doesn't hurt. Like I've said before, if one of you share my link and a sister sees that link and is encouraged to put the hijab on, the blessings are huge. It's huge if you can help a sister, and just by sharing my link. And I mean, you don't need to know, you will just get the blessings. That's it. So my viewers, thank you for being with me. Thank you for staying. If you stayed this long, you've enjoyed it, I hope you share it. Yes. Please do stay safe. We still have to be vigilant. Please take care of yourselves, your family. Try to be happy. Try to appreciate every moment. Make every moment count. Every moment. Whatever it is, small or big, make it count. So, until we meet again, don't forget, to hit the subscribe button, hit the all button, so that you're going to always get my uploads. For now, I'm uploading every day still. If that changes, I will advise you and let you know what the schedules are. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for helping me to build this platform. I appreciate every bit of it. Until we meet again, this is Naz saying Assalamu Alaikum.